Hello YouTube. What's up, Sawyer? I can't do it. I just can't do it. So his name's Boy Bear, and he wanted me to do this, so of course I'm going to do it. Sorry, get mixed up. Wow. So I accidentally did this to my own computer. So what I'm gonna have to do is update my computer. Well, not update. I mean, like, get my thing. Copy, paste. I'm not really good at doing this. And say I am recording. Why not? I can't record on my other computer. Doesn't work. I'm not really good at this. But you know, I'm not good at this. Just tell me. I give up. See? This is just, this makes me mad. What is this recording on? Everything. I'm gonna pause it right now. Alright, it's done. And I'm gonna rename it Tekkit BAK. You really want to do this, and to do it you click start and then do % app data %. Then click on roaming, make sure on roaming. Click copy and then rename it whatever you want, but don't have it .minecraft. It'll mess it up. Well, yes, it will. So that's why you better back it up. Okay, now, whoa, let's exit it. Now you want to download the Tekkit launcher. Come on, load. Okay, this is my world right now, and yes, I know. I dropped this camera, well, not camera, but I dropped this about 300 times. I dropped this microphone many times. And now I'm crazy. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but you know, just load. Load. I don't care. Ah, look at that. Ominous. But you know, it's whatever. I'm gonna save it on the desktop. Okay, you want to go to technicpack.net, and I'll have a link to it in the description. I don't care about that. Just run it. Get stuck. Let's see, does my thing lag a lot? It does. And, oh, there it is. Run it. I get. No! You're kidding me, did not fully install it? Updater! Oh. Oh. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna pause it until it's done. So, you know, I'm gonna be right back. Goodbye. Alright, we're back, and apparently I had to redo it because it wouldn't work. So, you know, what? Oh man, I didn't give that mine. But you wanna select tech, you wanna click this little blank space right here, and click Tekkit. Then enter your Minecraft username. I'm not gonna use one right now. I'm not gonna use one. Oh, you have to have one. Hold on. Ah, I'm not good at typing one hand. Okay, so now it's gonna say connecting. Then you have to wait for this to finish. So this might take a while, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I finished, and apparently my thing just disconnected. My camera's disconnected. Come on. What are you doing? No! What happened? What happened? No. Computer crash, I think. Did it crash? What's happening? Lag. Lagging. Why are you lagging? Stupid game. So see right now. I gotta get back. Alright, so apparently it won't work on some, so... Oh! Thank you for getting my mouse up here. So, I guess that's it. I know I can't do that because it's too much work, so... I'll see you guys. No need to rate, subscribe, or anything else. Just, I don't really care about YouTube. I don't really go on it all much, except I do watch some videos, like walkthrough videos. But I played Portal First Lights, I played Portal 1, I played Portal 2, I played all the Portals, and I can't wait until Portal 2 comes out. I might put, Portal 3, and I might put those on, but I'm not really sure. But, because I'm so busy, and I have so many games I need to fix, because I have so many errors on some of these games, so I guess that's it. I'll see you guys. Bye.